Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you a brand new and updated method for getting HappyMod on both Android and iOS devices. For a long time, HappyMod was only available for Android users, and iOS users were left out, but that's all changed now. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get HappyMod on iOS as well, so you can enjoy all the same awesome features. As you can see, it's working perfectly on my iPhone, and if you want to get it on yours, you're in the right place. I'll be breaking down every step of the process, so even if you're not super tech savvy, don't worry. The installation is really straightforward, and you don't need any special skills or technical knowledge to make it work. Just follow along with this video, and you'll have it up and running in no time. Alright, if you're ready to dive in, let's get started with the tutorial. Trust me, you're going to love how easy this is. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called lucidplugin.com. Lucid Plugin is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for HappyMod and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation Completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.